Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on EQ Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in eqbank.ca and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for EQ Bank. Now in order to log into your account, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal. Now enter your email address that you used while signing up for your account within the email address box and then type in your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your EQ Bank account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password underneath the sign in button and you will be allowed to reset your login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on EQ Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.